Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to use could in English grammar. We'll learn when to use it for politeness, ability, requests, and possibilities, with easy examples. Part 1. What is could? Could is a modal verb in English. We use modal verbs to talk about possibility, ability, permission, and requests. Could is the past form of can, but it also has other polite and special uses. Part 2. Uses of could, with examples. Keycap 1 Past ability. Use could to talk about something you were able to do in the past. Example: when I was a child, I could run very fast. She could speak French when she was 10. Here, could equals past ability. 2. Polite requests offers. Use could to sound polite when asking for something or making a suggestion. Example: could you please help me with this file? Could I use your pen for a moment? You could try restarting your computer. Could makes the sentence polite and soft. 3. Possibility. Use could to show something is possible but not certain. Example: it could rain later today. He could be at the office now. This idea could work. 4. Suggestions. Use could to suggest an idea politely. Example: you could visit the museum this weekend. We could go out for dinner tonight. 5. Conditional sentences. Use could with if to show something is possible depending on a condition. Example: if I had more time, I could learn guitar. She could help you if she were here. Part 3. Common mistakes. Cross mark I can go yesterday. Check mark I could go yesterday. Cross mark could you to help me. Check mark could you help me. Note to after could. Part 4. Summary. Check mark could equals past form of can. Check mark used for polite requests. Check mark used for ability in the past. Check mark used for possibility or suggestions. So, friends, now you know how to use could in English grammar. Practice these sentences daily to speak politely and confidently in English. If you found this lesson helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to Correct Grammar channel for more simple English lessons every week.